Hi Fauhowers, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate Facebook account temporarily. This video is very useful for you who wants to deactivate or disable your Facebook account temporarily. And if you have been sure to disable or deactivate your Facebook account, let's go to the tutorial. For the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's open Facebook apps. After opening Facebook apps, you can see on the bottom right corner there is 3-dot line menu, and then just tap this. And you can see here, just scroll down and you can see there is a menu settings and privacy. Just tap this. In the settings and privacy, choose settings. In the settings and privacy, you can see in the account, you can see personal and account information. Tap this. Personal and account information. In this personal and account information, there is account ownership and control option. Just tap this. Account ownership and control. You can see there is deactivation and deletion. Just tap this to deactivate and disable your Facebook account. Deactivating or deleting your Facebook account. If you want to take a break from Facebook, you can deactivate your account. If you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, let us know. Here, Facebook gives you two options. The first is to deactivate or disable your Facebook account. And you can deactivate or disable your Facebook account temporarily. And the second option is to delete your account. Deleting your Facebook account is permanently. In this tutorial, I want to tell you about deactivating your Facebook account. So just choose deactivate account. Deactivating your account is temporarily. Your account will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from most things you have shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger. And then after disabling or deactivating your Facebook account, you can log in back to Facebook and you can reactivating your Facebook account. Okay, after choosing deactivate account and then just tap continue to account deactivation. After tapping continue to account deactivation, your Facebook account will be disabled or deactivated. And then you can log in back every time to reactivate your Facebook account. If you like this video, please like this video and also share to your friends who need this information. If you want to get more tutorials about social media, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on notifications so that I will notify you when I upload new tutorial about social media. Bye bye.